Hi, my name is Robin Spencer, and today I would like to discuss why you should consider receiving current immunizations. Millions of people have died due to the smallpox virus. According to WebMD, symptoms of the virus include flu-like symptoms, bumps that turn into fluid-filled blisters, mouth sores that spread the virus into the throat, and fatigue. Thanks to vaccines, deadly viruses such as smallpox have been eradicated. If everyone participates in receiving current vaccinations, less people will die from the spread of viruses. Patricia D. Netzley, the author of Should Vaccinations for Youth Be Mandatory, states, according to a study reported by the American Academy of Pediatrics in November 2011, 13% of parents do not support the vaccination schedule recommended by the CDC and most doctors. She then continues to share that about 53% of those parents believe there are some vaccines that are necessary, but not all of them. Anti-vaxxers are people who are against the use of vaccines. Some people have a deep distrust in vaccines because of the side effects some of them may have. Vaccine refusers also believe that vaccines cause more harm than good, despite studies that prove how vaccines are effective. Nestle mentions that some individuals reject the idea of vaccines because it's against their religious views. Vaccines are especially important for our infants and youth because their immune system is more susceptible to many viruses that are preventable by using vaccines. Vaccines have been so successful at preventing the spread of illness, many of them are mandatory for infants, children, and those working with them. Retired pediatrician Bob Gunter mentions that immunizations have worked so well that many parents today have never known a family whose child has vaccine-preventable illnesses. Nestle mentions that after the first smallpox vaccine created in the 1700s, the virus was completely eradicated by the 1900s. Though many people were against the new idea of receiving a vaccine at that time, mandatory vaccination laws were placed and the disease was eventually extinguished. Not all vaccines are mandated by law. There are many vaccines that are optional, such as the flu vaccine. Some places offer the flu vaccine for free to those willing to participate with preventing the spread of disease. In reference to an event in Minnesota, Nestle states, in 2008, 5 children contracted the disease HIV, which is a strand of the flu virus, and one died because they had not been sufficiently immunized. Laws surrounding participation in vaccine programs could largely decrease the number of vaccine-preventable illnesses. With the eradications of smallpox already in place, imagine a world free from other viruses such as chickenpox, HPV, hepatitis, and the measles. Some cases, a vaccine may not even be necessary. Nestle mentions that some states allow exemptions to vaccination for those who can prove that they're already immune to the disease. Choose to receive current vaccinations can help eradicate disease. All it takes to help stop the spread of deadly diseases is a quick, simple vaccine. Vaccines are readily available through your healthcare provider. Vaccines help protect our infants and youth from deadly diseases. Receiving your current vaccine, such as the vaccine for whooping cough, can help prevent the spread of disease to infants and youth. If you want to make sure your family and home are safe from the spread of disease, please make sure that you and your loved ones get immunized as soon as possible. Don't hesitate, vaccinate today.